Hey art enthusiasts, welcome back to the AI channel. Today we're diving into the mesmerizing world of acrylic pouring, a technique that allows you to create stunning abstract masterpieces effortlessly. In just 2 minutes, I'll guide you through the basics. So grab your canvas and let's unleash our inner artists. 1. Gather your materials. The first step is to gather your materials. You'll need acrylic paints in various colors, a pouring medium, a mix of equal parts medium and paint, a canvas, plastic cups for mixing, stirring sticks, and a drop cloth to protect your workspace. Let's make some art. 2. Mix your paints. In individual cups, mix your acrylic paints with the pouring medium. The pouring medium helps create the perfect consistency for the paint to flow smoothly on the canvas. Stir each color thoroughly until you achieve a runny but not too watery consistency. Choose your pouring technique. Now let's choose a pouring technique. There are various methods like the flip cup, dirty pour, or swipe technique. Experiment with different methods to see which one resonates with your artistic vision. The beauty of acrylic pouring is its unpredictability. Pour and tilt. Time to pour. Layer your mixed colors onto the canvas, either all at once or one by one, depending on your chosen technique. Once the paint is on the canvas, tilt it gently to allow the colors to blend and create mesmerizing patterns. Don't be afraid to let the paint spill over the edges for a dynamic effect. 5. Add accents and let it dry. Enhance your masterpiece by adding accents. You can use a palette knife, skewer, or even your fingers to create interesting textures or swirls in the paint. Once you're satisfied, let your artwork dry completely. The drying process may take a day or two, so be patient. And there you have it, a 2-minute crash course on creating stunning, abstract art with acrylic pouring. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more art inspiration, and share your poured creations with us in the comments below. Remember, there are no mistakes in abstract art, just happy accidents. Until next time, happy pouring and keep creating.